Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to talk about protein. Yes, we are going to talk about protein, which is very much required if you are working out and if you are planning to lose weight or trying to fit into a new dress before New Year. Then you must have protein in your daily life, because when you work out you lose a lot of muscle break down, then it builds up. But if you are not having adequate amount of protein, that means the muscle building process will slow down and you will feel the pain for much more longer time, and you will not get the proper result before it. So you must take protein in your daily life. Most of us are not able to complete the daily protein requirement by normal eating at home. It is not possible. Being vegetarian or vegetarian, sometimes it is not possible to eat enough amount of protein, and which tends in lesser effects such as not losing weight, not building muscle, losing of hair, nails are getting brittle. These are the like symptoms of you are not having enough amount of protein. So today I am going to talk about this product, which is like Nourishment Needs plant based protein. So it is a plant based protein made up with peas and brown rice protein. So like if you have allergies by soy based protein, that they are not suiting you, or with the allergies you are having with the milk based protein, or you have gluten allergies, so then you can go with this plant based protein. It is amazing. It will give you, like in just one serving, it will give you 26 gram of protein, followed by 5 grams of glutamine and 5 grams of BCAA. Also, the most important thing that I liked about it is it has added antioxidants, and best thing is it have like digestive enzymes that helps in digestion, and it helps in like reaching the protein much more faster to muscles. And naturally cocoa flavor is there, and it is not artificially sweetened, it is naturally sweetened with this stevia. So, and moreover, it is easily available on Amazon. I purchased this plant-based protein from Nourishment Needs from Amazon, and it got delivered in just one day. So it is a amazing product. I've been trying it since month. So it is giving me amazing result. As all of you know, my weight has been struck since a very long time, but now I am getting results in 2-3 months. I'm reaching my goal much more faster, because right now I am having enough adequate amount of protein in my diet. So go for the plant based protein, and this is totally vegan. It is made up of plant, that means peas and brown rice, and it gives you amazing amount of like 26 grams of protein in just one serving. So guys, I am going to tell you how can you make this protein, and how can you have amazing tasty flavor of Nourishment Needs plant based protein. So it is simple. When you will open the box, a scoop is provided. This scoop is like 10 grams. So for making a one serving, you must add at least 3 to 4 scoop of this powder, this plant based protein powder. So I have my shaker with me. So here I will put 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3, and this is 30 grams. Now I'll put half of the scoop to reach my whole need. So now water. I am using lukewarm water, but yes, you can use a normal room temperature water or cold water or milk, or you can make a smoothie, or you want to use it as in cake or any kind of brownie you want to make. You can make lots of things using protein powder, and it is giving me amazing chocolate aroma. So adding water, I have added around like 200 ml of water. Now shake it out. It will blend quickly. And yes, now a sip to my healthy life. It tastes amazing. So it is a plant-based protein powder by Nourishment Needs. I hope you will like it. So go on, purchase this from Amazon. The link will be in my description box. You can purchase it in just 999 rupees. 500 grams of this protein will definitely going to change your life before New Year. So thank you so much for watching. So if you have any question regarding protein, just message me. If you want to know more about protein, just message me on Instagram as well as on Facebook or YouTube. I will definitely going to reply you, and you are going to like see what result it gonna give you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.